Yeah, you know.
Hello guys, aact10 back with a new video. I'm playing on the field chambers located in Belgium. Your game mode is capture the bomb that's located around the field to blow up the enemy camp. Game is just started and my strategy is to run fast to the middle to get a good sniper position. This was my first scarm to play with my new custom Action Army AAC T10, so I was excited to play with it. My previous sniper was a VSO-10 and had not the range that I wanted. So compared to this little monster, it's much better. So after reaching my position, I had no idea where the enemies will come from, so I thought it was a good place to hold the enemies off from crossing the field. Close call, almost hit by a sniper shot. So enemy sniper is onto me and I had no idea where the shot came from. I was trying to locate his position, but he was too good camouflaged to fight him in the bushes. I cut the footage here because after some waiting I decided to relocate myself to another position. Because I have no idea that enemies are close or not, I decided to switch to my sidearm for not getting surprised for short range. I was checking for enemies coming from the spawn and luckily there was none, so my back raid party can begin. I asked the enemy players to be quiet that they didn't give away my position, and they did. If you're watching guys, thanks for doing it. I feel bad the enemy sniper didn't took his hit. I mean every player needs to take their hit, but if you play as a sniper, you'll know how frustrating it can be if they're not taking their hit. So the enemies know my position, so it's time to reposition myself to get some better cover.
Welk? Nee.
The enemies are pushing my position and I can get them from where I sit. So I'm gonna run away and try to get away from all the attention. My tactic is to wait because the guys that I killed before are respawning. And some of them may be trying to find me, so the best solution now is to have patience for a couple of minutes.
Dat was allebei raak. Ja, maar het probleem is, je zit met twee. Als ik ene pang, dan schiet een andere. Dus sorry dat ik jullie pijn heb gedaan. Mijn excuses ervoor.
Hij deed goed, ja.
Sorry mannen.
Ja, geeft niks. Kunnen we weer terug.
So my plan succeed. I want to go back to see if there are still enemies where I came before. But the risk that players are respawning is too high, so I'm gonna move to another area. So after a long walk and some kills on the way, I run into those two fine snipers. This is what I hate about Airsoft sometimes. If you get hit, take your hit, even if it is from a teammate. Because I came from behind, they were thinking it is a teammate who was shooting on me. Or I missed my shots, or they didn't feel it. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I hope you like my video and feel free to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Oh, and one last thing. Let me know what I can do to improve my videos. Thanks for watching. iLollyStyle out.